Good morning, everyone. So, in the last class, we have done the revision up to the organs of the government. In a democratic government, we have three organs, that is, legislature, executive, and judiciary. And then the last two topics left is the equality and human dignity. Okay. Now, how do we establish equality in democracy? See, equality is very important, okay, to establishing democracy, and that is established by the way of universal adult franchise. Okay, because what we are doing is that we are considering each and every person to be equal to each other. Okay, irrespective of their educational background, caste, color, religion, region. Okay, every person who has attained the age of 18 is is equal to give the vote. Now, what other things government has done in order to establish equality? Okay, the government has provided a lot of provisions in our constitution to establish equality into a society, and then there are certain policies also which has been started by the government. The policies has been stated over here on this page. The first is reservation for scheduled castes, scheduled tribes, and other backward classes in all the kind of education institution, colleges, government job, so that these people can encourage themselves to get education and good government jobs. Then the second thing is low cost housing schemes for the economically weak section, means those people who does not have much of money, to provide them housing in a very low cost manner. That is one of the policies started by the government. Third is, the most important thing in a society is to uplift the role of a woman, and for that government has provided reservation of seats for women in public transportation. Whenever you are going by bus or train, you must have seen that government provides special seats for the women and ladies. Reservation of seats for women in village panchayat also. In village panchayat means government at the local level also, there are certain seats which has been reserved only for women. Okay, that seats can be filled only by a woman candidate only. Then for children, and especially girl child, literacy schemes to encourage education among economically backward section, so that a child will come forward and get education. Development schemes for rural areas, because you know that there in India there is a large amount of population which is living in rural areas. So their development is also very important, because these are the people who are dependent on agriculture. So it is also very important for the government for their development. So government has started many development schemes. Then we have midday meal facility, which you all know that in all the government schools, midday meal facility is provided, so that the children are encouraged and provided with a balanced diet of food, and it is the kind of encouragement for the children to come to school and attend school on regular basis. Okay, so these are the policies which has been started by the government for the upliftment of poor people, backward people, women, children, and especially girl children. Okay, now justice. Okay, justice plays a very important, or you can say judiciary plays a very important role in democracy. In judiciary, every person is considered as an equal. In the eyes of justice, each and every person is treated as an equal citizens. Then the last topic is human dignity. Human dignity का meaning क्या होता है? Human dignity, human means a human being, a person, and dignity means its importance, that every person, dignity का मतलब होता है that every person has some worth or value. हर एक person की कोई worth होती है, कोई value होती है. Okay, now in dictatorship and monarchy, there is no value for human people. Okay, there is no value for people who does not have money or resources. Okay, nobody asks them that what is their problem and what they want, what they actually want their future to be, what they want from their government. Okay, but in democracy, because each and every person is given vote, that is why each and every person has some worth. Okay, so you people are there who is choosing the government, so that means that whatever you are choosing is going to be a government. So your role as an individual is very important in your future of your country. Okay, So we can say that human dignity is there only in the democratic form of government. Okay, so this is by this we have completed the revision of the chapter. Now once again I will tell you that what things you have to see while you're revising the chapter. First of all, you will learn all the exercises, all the objective type exercises you have to learn. You have to go through all the question answers. Obviously long questions are not coming, it is going to be only objective type paper only, but you are going to see whenever there is certain kind of question in which a short question may come. Here you have to understand that India is an indirect form of democracy. That is very important. In this page you have to learn what is the date of American War of Independence, French Revolution, what are the three ideas given by the French Revolution. Bill of Rights has been given by the American War of Independence, which is very important. What is Renaissance time? That is very important. When was the Glorious Revolution fought? In which country? In which year? That is very important. And before Glorious Revolution, there was monarchy in England. Then you have to learn the date of First World War, Russian Revolution, and Second World War, which is very important. Here you have to learn that what is dictatorship, monarchy, and democracy. You must go through all these three definitions because some question might come from this. Then you have to learn from here about these three organs. These three organs are very important. Many questions may come from this chapter, from this topic. Okay, so you must go through these three topics, that is legislature, executive and judiciary. इनको आपको ध्यान से पढ़ना है. इसके अलावा इक्वालिटी आपको रीड करना है. इक्वालिटी के अंदर आपको ये वाले पॉइंट्स को ध्यान से पढ़ना है, ऑल दीज पॉइंट्स. और ह्यूमन डिग्निटी को एक बार आपको रीड करना है. That's it. Okay, so please revise your chapter and give a good test. Thank you so much.